I think I spoke too soon yesterday. Today is Sunday, March the 10th, 2019. This wasn't in the forecast. It was supposed to be just slightly cloudy and around 32 degrees. With the time change now this morning tonight, it's already almost 7 o'clock. And it's been doing this since the wee hours of the morning. I don't know if it's showing up on camera or not, but it's snowing like crazy. All the big steers and heifers, they're undercover, I guess, in the bush. Yes, it's turned cold. It went down to -9 overnight, and most of the day we've been about -4, -5. Just thought I'd shoot this little. Well, come on. Come on. Just thought I'd shoot this little video while I come out to get some firewood. It'll be dark here probably within the hour. Did I wake you guys up? Hey, did I wake you guys up? Well, come on. One of the calves are in there. I thought they was out here earlier, but must have went in there when I went in the house to get the camera. Yeah, that's how fast the weather changes around here. Snowing and blowing about a 25-mile-an-hour wind. Just lovely, just lovely. Here I thought things were going to be warming up, because the forecast shows it being up around 30, 32 degrees for most of March, but going down below zero at night. And this wasn't the snow. The snowstorm was not in the forecast. I seen on some of the YouTube channels in Wisconsin, they were talking yesterday about a snowstorm they were getting, and that's only about Wisconsin's only, like, Wisconsin, the U.S. border is only about an hour and a half from me. And I get into Grand Portage, Minnesota, as soon as you cross over the border. But there was nothing in our forecast for snow, or this high winds. So I just came out here to get some firewood, and thought I would show you the difference from one day to the next. Yeah, beautiful. Just what I needed. Never know what to expect around here, northwestern Ontario. Okay, peeps, I just thought I'd do a short video here. I'm gonna throw those piglets those pigs some hay, and get some wood in the house. Take her easy. Talk to you again later.